8 more easy games for Zoom classes. This is the 4th video like this I've done. The first one was just general tips. The second one was easy games like this one. The third one was more difficult games for adults and intermediate students. And now this is this one. So check out those videos if you want more games. Okay, number 1, Phil's game. This is a game, I don't know the name of it, but Phil told me it, so it's Phil's game. They have to remember all these 10. So you say number 1, it's a school. You show it to them. Then you hide it. What's number 1? It's a school. Then show them number 2. Okay, it's a pencil. What's number 1? It's a school. What's number 2? It's a pencil. Number 3 is a sharpener. What's number 1? It's a school. It's a pencil. It's a pencil sharpener. And keep going through all of these until they can remember all 10 of them in a row. This is a really good way to introduce vocab. If you have a very difficult word that students can't remember, put it at like number 3, so then they have to repeat it a whole bunch of times before the end of the game. Number 2, concentration or match 2. There's a problem with this game online because they can't choose which card they want. Like if you look at this board, they can say top left, bottom third from the right. Yeah, that's too hard for most young kids. So, although that is a useful thing to teach. I put numbers on them. So with this Miro, I can put numbers on these post-it notes and kind of hide the image behind them. So I'll say, they can say number 4, number 15. That's much easier. Also, I would split them into 2, so you have one set of the cards on the left and one set of cards on the right. So you have a pencil here and a pencil here. So they just choose one blue, one pink. The game goes much faster. Number 3, guess who? If you just go into Google search and type in guess who, you can find guess who boards, a whole bunch of them. Some of them the official ones, some the people have made, and you can just take it and you can play guess who. Oh, that is so much copyright infringement. You describe a person and they guess which one it is. Or you describe one of the people and they draw it. Or they describe and you draw it, or a whole bunch of stuff you can do. Number 4, monkey cards. I use these almost every class, especially with younger students. Classroom language cards in the circle time. They totally work online as well. Just go, hello, here you are, thank you, here you are, no thank you, toilet please. Just kind of go through the cards and kind of have little mini dialogues, try to communicate as much as you can. These are on a website, they're completely free. You can go there and get 13 of them completely for free, don't even have to sign up. Number 5, language sprint. This is super easy. Just set a timer and just ask a question, like what's your name? And they have to answer as many times as they can in the 20 seconds. But they can't use the same answer. So, what's your name? My name's Steve, my name's Tony, my name's Chris, my name's Yuko, my name's and see how many times they can come up with a new answer to the question in however many seconds. It works great. Number 6, 20 questions. This is the answer. I can't see it. I have to ask 20 questions to work out what it is. 20 yes or no questions. Is it alive? Yes. Is it an animal? Yes. Is it big? Yes. Is it a whale? Yes. Number 7, the image quiz. This is on a word wall, which is free. You can go there now. I made one called F words. You can make your own, or you can just use the ones they have. You have to pay if you want to make your own ones at this one though. So, what is it? When they know what it is, they say stop, and you push this button. And they go, is it a fish? Is it a frog? Is it a fish? And I'll do yes, it's a fish. It's a fish. And this works really well with young kids. Number 8, just kind of playing with images to kind of introduce words. So I teach this up, down, left, right, and I have these images here that I've zoomed in hugely on, and they kind of command me where to go. So go up, go down, go left, go right, go right, go up, up. Oh, it's a cat. Go right, go right, go right, go right, go down, go right. Is it a robot? No, it's a car. Those are the cards I've got. Also, I've got this one where I've already kind of zoomed in, and so what animal is it? I'm teaching body here. Like that. This is the mouth of a manta ray or stingray. What animal is this? It's a cat. What animal is this? It's a dog. What animal is this? It's a frog. What animal is this? It's a shark. So those are 8 more easy games. If you know any more easy games, please comment, because I am completely running out of them. I've got quite a few higher level ones, which I'll make another video of soon. Also, remember, we have a shop where you can get a lot of free downloads and a whole bunch of other stuff delivered directly to your door during the coronavirus when all the schools are shut. So, thank you.